Hey guys, I'm Ton Original here, and today I have this Kinder Joy sweet cream topped with cocoa wafer bites thing. So here there's it's like kind of a chocolate with like a surprise toy inside. See? So today I'm going to open it for you guys and see what's inside. Okay, so as you can see, there is a little tab in which I can open it to. So yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I got this thing. Okay, so let's open this part. Ooh, yum. There's the chocolate treat. I'm going to have that later. And now I'm going to see what the toy is. Oh my gosh. There's like, what is this? Oh, it's like a little monster thing. It's like a little monster toy. That's cool. And it looks like there's also like a map or something, or like a connected dots. Cool, connected dots. And let's see what this is. Oh, cool. It's like a little me. Well, 10, 20, 30. Oh, it's counting by tens. That's cool. Good way to get your math in, kids. Okay. So these are the toys from the Kinder Joy egg. So that's pretty cool. And I also got a chocolate treat with the toys. So it's a win-win. So that is it for this video. Wait, actually, I think I should eat this chocolate treat and test it out for you guys. Okay, let's have some. I just ripped some of that, but I'm just going to have the top and see if it's good. Oh my god. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so good. That is really good. You should get one of these too. I think I got this one at Target maybe. I'm not really sure. But this is amazingly good. So that is basically it for this video, guys. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you later.